Cobb County, Georgia. What started as a routine call quickly escalated into a wild pursuit. A stolen semi-truck barreling through traffic, refusing to stop, endangering everyone on the road. In this police POV, we'll see how officers tracked, pursued, and finally brought this dangerous chase to an end, all caught on camera. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Viewer discretion is advised.
You're 15 Central. Yeah. Radio B is not stop. Clear. The Barrett northbound.
7514, he's now on the opposite lane of travel.
Very eastbound, wrong lane, continuing. 52. Just got into the eastbound lanes of travel, down the correct direction. We have a unit in front and 3 behind them. Yeah, boy, trying to ram police vehicle, continuing. We're going to notify GSP.
7514, he's now entered the other lane of traffic, and now he's just crashed back over to the correct lanes. So you can get a helo. 1022, he's wrecking. He just wrecked out radio.
Okay. Just get away from the car. Come try. Let me see your hand. Keep your hands visible.
After a high-speed chase across Cobb County, officers safely ended the pursuit, taking the suspect into custody and recovering the stolen semi-truck. What do you think of the officer's response in this situation? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-life police POVs.